What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Space Ox Bull from Brawl Stars. We're gonna get started by drawing the visor in the center of our page. So let's start over on the left side, draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right, to right about there. And then from the ends we're gonna draw a straight line coming down. And we'll close off the bottom with another straight line. Let's add a trim along the top of the visor. On the left, we'll step down and draw another line going across. Now I'm going to move to the center and draw in the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center, go over towards the left side, draw a straight angled line going up and out. Line this up on the right. Do the same thing. Now we're going to round out the top and the inside. Just going to pull this around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing along the inside. Coming around and then out. And then we'll connect the outside to the inside with a straight angled line. Now we're going to draw a large oval in behind the top of the visor for the centerpiece of the hair. So on the left side, we're going to step in, curve out the left side, go up, and then in towards the middle. Round this out. Across, down, and in on the right side. And we'll draw the side of the hair. On the left side, step in, curve up, and in behind the hair. Let's move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Starting on the left, we come down, and then up, and then we'll add the nose ring. Starting back on the left, go around, back up on the right, and they'll trace the ring along the inside. Now I'm going to layer the mouth in behind the bottom of the nose ring. Starting on the left, curve out and then down. And they'll connect the ends with a curve, coming down and then up. And then we'll separate the teeth. Starting in the center, start with a straight line coming down, add another line along the side, and we'll fill the corners of the mouth in black. Let's move out to the side and draw the inside edge of the sideburn. On the left, we'll step in, curve down, and then in. And then from here, it's going to curve down and then in towards the chin. Let's connect the bottom with a curve, coming down the middle and then back up. Now when you go back up to the bottom corner of the visor and draw two straight angled lines coming down and out. And then from here, curve the sideburn, coming down and then in towards the outside of the chin. Let's move out to the side and add the ear covers. From the top of the visor, we're going to step down, so we curve this out, down, and then in towards the side of the head. Line this up on the right, going out, down, and then in. Let's draw two small hash lines along the bottom. And down and in, step up, and draw that twice. Let's line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Let's move up to the top of the ear cover, draw a straight line going out, and then go straight up. And line this up on the right, and then from the top, we're just going to curve this out, down, and then in towards the side. Now I'm going to add a thick stripe along the outside. Starting from the left, go straight out, and go up towards the side. Now I'm going to step down and draw that same angled line coming down, and then in. Line this up on the right, now I'm going to move down and draw the side of the body. We're going to start on the left, curve the body going out, and then down, and do the same thing on the right. And then from the bottom, draw a short line coming in. And then we'll round out the inside, going up and in. We'll leave a gap in the center of the body. And then draw a straight line going up underneath the chin. Let's go to the top of the body, curve the collar, coming down and then in towards the inside. And then we'll draw two small angled lines on either side, starting on the left and then the right. Let's add that symbol on the left side. Start from the top, curve down and then up, straight down on the sides. I'm just going to angle down and in, close out the bottom with a straight line. Let's move out and finish off the side of the body. On the left, we're going to step in, curve out, and then down towards the hip. And we'll move to the center and draw in that buckle. Starting from the center, draw a straight line going across, angle down and out on either side. I'm just going to bring this in, come down and in, close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's go back up to the top, draw two short lines going up, and then from the top we're going to go out, and then pull that back in towards the side. Now we tuck the belt in behind the buckle, starting back on the left, curve down and then in, step up and draw that same curve in behind the buckle. Let's separate the buckle. Starting from the top, draw a short line coming down, and from the bottom we'll go up, and we'll add a half circle going out and then in on the left side. Now I'm going to move back up in between the collar, draw a straight line going across, and then from the side, angle down and in, close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's continue working down the legs. From the bottom of the buckle, step down, add a curve, from left to right, going up and then down, and then leaving a small gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down toward the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, starting back on the left, curve the foot coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side and round out the top of the foot. We start out here, curve up, just going to bend the foot coming down, aiming towards the heel. Just going to leave a gap along the inside. And then from the top of the foot, we're going to step out, draw a straight line going up towards the edge of the boot. And then from here, we're going to come in and then just bend that down on the inside of the leg. Let's move back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Starting from the left, just going to curve this out and just tuck that in behind the boot, leaving a little overlap on the outside. Now we're going to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. And we'll add that detail on top of the foot, starting with two straight lines, close off the top with a straight line. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start just up above this point, step up, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a half circle coming in and out for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to draw three fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, curve down and up around the bracket. Step down, curve down and up. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, up, and then in underneath the head. Now we're going to add some detail to the arms. Let's start from the top of the thumb. Just going to curve this up and bend that out. Then step up and draw that twice. Let's go to the top of the arm on the inside. Curve the sleeve going up and then out. And we'll add one more trim. On the outside, step down, follow that curve coming in and then down. And that's pretty much it. There's Space Ox Bull from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.